The thing that I wanted to show you now is that if I go to data, right, this will take us to our register menu. And we had selected register number 10 as our data value. So I'm gonna just go ahead and change this register 10 to a 1. We're gonna go back to select, go back into our main one, and then I'm gonna just run through this code again. Forward, latched onto the other code, function 1 abort all, reset, forward, okay, boom. We just jumped into the PIC program. Now we jumped out of the PIC program. We have a call is equal to 2. It's gonna skip past that one. It's gonna skip past that one. And now it's going to jump back up to the top again. Oh no, it didn't jump back up to the top. Sorry about that. It didn't jump back up to the top because one of these happened, right? Remember, this is an else statement. So if none of these happened, do this thing. But one of these did happen, so it ignores this else statement. Else statement is very powerful, and on the older robots, you didn't have the else statement. All right, so we're gonna be able to go down here, jump to label 10, boom, back to the top. We're gonna go one more time to data. I'm gonna just change this one to a 3, enter. So our register 10, we changed it to a 3. Go back to select, main 1. And I'm gonna let you hit forward to this program, okay? So just click it once at a time. So forward, 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 forward. Okay, now hold on. Notice how we didn't jump in to call PIC. Okay, we skipped past that one because we changed that value from being a 1 to being a 3. Go ahead and skip past it. Hit the next. Or forward. Yep. Forward. Boom. We jumped into the test program. Now we jumped into that test program because our value of that register is a 3. Go ahead and forward through again. We're gonna jump. Yep. We're gonna jump back out of this program because there was really nothing in the program.